Good morning, Sir Nerman.
Good morning, ma'am director.
How are you today?
I am doing fine. And you?
I am doing fine. Do you have free time? There is something I want to discuss with you.
Oh. Glad I am currently free. What do you want to discuss with me?
Thank you. Please sit down, sir. I want to talk about building an integrity zone in our work unit. As part of the government, we are required to play a role in the success of the government's program. One of these is a program to accelerate bureaucratic reform. By building integrity zones, especially in our work units.
Oh.
The importance of this program applied to our unit to create work unit clean of corruption, effective and efficient bureaucracy, while creating quality public services.
What steps we must take to make this happen?
The steps we have to do is: first, the ability and willingness of leaders to invite all the ranks to make changes. Secondly, improve public services in the work unit. All three units are making innovations that are approaching the community. Fourth, optimize social media and other media as a means of communication and publication to service users. Next, carry out monitoring and evaluation to ensure the integrity zone runs well.
Oh yeah.
We also have to make changes with improvements in some areas.
Which areas should we improve to support this program?
The first area is change management, the second area is governance. The three areas are structuring human resource management system, the four areas are strengthening performance accountability. The fifth area is strengthening supervision, and finally the area of service quality improvement.
Yes. Apparently it is not so difficult to make it happen. It only takes commitment from all parts of our work unit in terms of making changes.
Yes, right. For work units that are able to prevent corruption, we'll get the title of corruption-free area. And if the work unit can prevent corruption and provide excellent service, we'll get the title of free in serving bureaucracy.
Yeah.
For that we also need to form a work team. The integrity zone and the change agent team. I ask for your willingness to lead and coordinate this team. Are you willing to pack with my offer?
All right. I accept your offer and do it as best I can.
Thank you for your cooperation.
You're welcome.
Hopefully what we have planned is realized.
Amin.
Amin.